Yo, that man I just have poop up my couch, so. No man, I breathe too much air in the place. You know a thing go. We're one thing leverage nation. And ready? Guess it, who could guess? My number one thing I have on the list when I Jamaica coming to America is do not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. I don't know, say no, so we have the cooking, the review, and we have the chat, and today we are sitting and chat, and we have something called today 5 things a Jamaican should know before them come to America, where them are come to visit or where them are come to stay. 5 things, 5 you should know, and we'll start from 5 and count down in order. Maybe some people have it differently, so y'all can comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these 5 things, or what you think should add it, or we should supposed to have a part 2. But first, always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's a leverage. So you know the leverage, man. So I have 5 things, right? And we're going to get down in it right now. Alright? So, the 5 things you should know, starting off right now. Let me see. The first one, when me put on the list, the 5th one. Yo, if you have everything going on for you good in Jamaica, you should, if you have everything going on good in Jamaica, like if you have a good paying job, a good car, a good house, make sure you just stay on it though. What's if you're up in an age? Better to stay on there and just enjoy Jamaica, because when you come and find I'll be a stress and problem when I bring upon yourself. Trust me. If you have everything good for you, see, that's my advice. That's a leverage, right? Unless you know, say you have loved ones or whatever you want to come up and think. Oh, you have only for different situation. But my advice, everything I go on for you, just go and live your wonderful life in Jamaica, enjoy. Just come up here if you just visit. You see me? And like me say, unless, you know, you have a loved one who you want. But that's my advice. Number 4. What my number 4? Because I haven't written it down, you know. 1 second. Yes. Number 4. Scrape what you can. So scrape. So you know what that means. If it's the first time I come into America, right? You know, so you have friend, family, loved ones are happy for soon, so them gonna want to take you go everywhere. Them want to give you money. You know, I'm not tell you to be licky now, you know. I'm not tell you to be licky. That's not leverage. You see me? But take everything you can. If them give you money, hey, you get everything for your first time, because everyone want happy to see you and say, yo, what go on? At my place, man, coming to my place. Yeah, you know a thing go. So if them come, receive it, accept it. If it's from a willing hard perspective, you know. So scrape where you can. So that's my 4th one, right? This is gonna be very quick. So number 3 now. Let me see. Number 3. Don't overstay your welcome. Right? Do not overstay your welcome. Meaning, if you come here for vacation, for example, if you come here for vacation, you spend 1 month or whatever, make sure you just do 1 month and cut out and help around the place. Because once, if you're there around, like me say, family or whatever, obviously, if them genuine or so, yeah, you know it go already. But for majority of the part, if you not help out and pay them bill in America and you stay in their house and you say, yo, that man I just have poop up my couch, so no man, I breathe too much air in the place. You know a thing go. You have to just, if a yard, you just help clean up the place naturally. You know, for you first, I say, oh, I'm here, no man, I'm here, good man, don't worry about nothing, man. You're good, but make sure if you're good, you just do it. And I say, no, you're there, I say you stay or whatever, you just want to help out a little bit. So just help out and think. Don't overstay your welcome. Worse, if you come, America if you come live, and you catch a people here, make sure you just help out around house, do everything until you get a job and just lift up and cut out. That's my advice. That's a leverage. You know? Just help out and do everything. Save up your money. Save up your money as fast as I can and just leave. Find your own place and it will be feel better. You see me? Make them miss you. Yeah? Make them miss you. That's the number 3, right? Alright. Number 2. We have number 2. Do not compare currency. For example, if you go and you go barber shop up here, you go a barber shop at Jamaica, you know say are two different things that, because barber shop at Jamaica, them probably charge you, for example, $1,000 for all a line up or so. You see me? America, I go charge you free $20 for line up at least. You see me, for example. So it obviously, if you compare the rate them on certain things, on food, on anything, it gonna be different because you don't know, say it costs more to live in America. Naturally. So you can't come, you're gonna mad out if you say, oh, if me there Jamaica, you know, say this me there pay for this. No, you're gonna mad yourself. So do not compare currency. That is it. So my number one thing, leverage nation. And ready? Guess who could they guess? My number one thing I have on the list when at Jamaica coming to America is do not co-sign. This is for the much less. This is for the people who come live and start them good credit and have them social and have them good credit. Do not co-sign for nobody to get no phone, to get no car. I could have your family little more because it will hurt you at the end, you know. Trust me, you know. Because if a phone or car and them do that payment there, majority of the time, I'm not say all the time, but majority of the time they might come up with some excuse, say, yo, boy, it's slow, you know, nothing go on, I lose my job, you know, I get laid off, you know. You know, say, nothing go on. Then all of a sudden, everything tumble down, them not pay them bill. So until you co-sign now, it will go up on your credit. And you don't know if America run off a credit already. So everything I does job credit store gone 110 if that even possible. But yeah, so that's my number one thing. Do not share, do not co-sign, do not share it out. You see me? Unless somebody wanna know, wanna can co-sign with and you believe, you know, would pay the bills and no matter what. Which is you can't, you don't know what happen tomorrow, but it's all depends on you. So those are my 5 things you should know, a Jamaican should know when coming to America to visit and stay. Me give you some example, but I mean, leverage nation, you can tell me what you think. If you have any other things, you can, if you build a part 2, or if you see any other things that I lie about, because you know some of them things are true. So if anything you share for your thoughts or even share some thoughts happen to you. So data leverage. Until next time, data leverage Leverage Nation. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and all the other platform and things is in the description. So always look in the description. So I'm out until next time. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Yeah, man.